This is KP Dharigowda. Today I am going to teach you decimals. First thing, what is decimal? Decimal is a part of 10 and its multiples. 10 and its multiple. From where? Then it is part of Pakka fractions. Say, study the fractions 3 by 5, 8 by 7, 9 whole 3 by 11, 91 by 1000, 1 by 10, 4, 5 by 100, 251, 6, 18 by 1000. Like this, these are all fractions. Among these, see here, these are seemingly what they are called decimal fractions. These are all called decimal fractions. These are called decimal fractions. Then what is decimal? See here, 10 parts made, 1000 parts made, 10 into 10 into 10 and its multiples. Okay, 100, 10 into 10, 1000 again. Can you do 10,000? Yes, you can do here also 10,000. How many lakh also you can do? These are all called decimal fractions. It means that it can be changed as decimal. Then decimal has two parts. One is whole number, another is decimal. Okay. See here, 3 zeros are there, then you need to put 3 pluses here. This whole number side, nothing is there, so kept 0. This is shortage of 1 0, so taken from portion. This is 0. 3 places, 3 zeros are here, kept 3 places. And here 1 place, 1 0. 1 0, 1 place. This 0 is not from this end. This is nothing it is showing. Okay. And this is 4.05. See, 4 is full. And what is this 5? 500 this is. See, 500 it is. We can read it as 91,000th, 1/10th, 4 of 500, 251 of 618,000th. See, this is how we can write 251 full. And 618,000. Say 3 zeros, 3 places. This is decimal. Okay. It is also study of small things. This is also big. You can 251, but which can't be studied by whole number. This can fulfill it. Okay. And it is part of fraction. Sister concern, sister of fractions. Decimal is sister of fraction. Why? It is, if you thought male, then brother of fractions. Isn't it? Okay. Small and decimal, deci, that, this, very looking like a girl. So, I called it as female category. So, sister I told. Okay. See, how we have to change? These are all fractions, 9 by 10. How we have to convert this into decimals is, say 1 0, 1 plus. It shows nothingness in whole number side. Okay? 0.9. You can read it as 0.9. Here 2 zeros are there, So compulsory 2 places should be kept. 2 zeros, 2 place. 1 0, 1 place. 3 zeros. 1 2 3. 3 places. Ooh, sorry. 4 zeros. 4 zeros, but only one number. Then what to do? You have to borrow 0. Borrow 0. How many zeros you have to borrow? Is 1 2 3 4 minus 1, 3 zeros you have to borrow. This is nothing you are keeping. Nothingness it shows. Whereas here it is 4 zeros, 4 places. 1 2 3 4. 3 zeros you borrowed. Rhyming on borrow a 0. Okay. See here 8 full. And from 0, 1 place. 1 0, 1 place. Here what it is? Sorry. This is nothing but 86 by 10 only. So it can be written as like this only. So 101 place. This remains same. Here 9 is full and 2 zeros are there. So you have to keep 2 places. Okay? You can change fractions into decimal. Only one thing you have to understand is how many zero in the denominator of the fraction should be that much places you have to keep in decimal. 2 zeros, 2 places. If shortage of 0 is there, then you have to borrow zeros. Okay? Then how to convert decimal into fraction? Decimal into fraction. Say 0.8, 0.923, 1.67, 0.009, 35.035, 4.618. Like this if it is, then how can you change into fraction? See, 1 plus 1 0 up as it is. 8/10 means it is there. See, 3 zeros should be kept because 3 places are there. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. 1 0, 1 place in front of 1. How many places are there in decimal? That many zeros you have to put in denominator. In front of 1, you have to put that many 0. Okay? See. In denominator 1. See, directly you can write 1. 2 places, 2 zeros you can. Then you can settle this 2 places, 2 zeros, 2 places, and 1 is full. See, this is 9, whereas 3 places, okay, 3 zeros you can put. 3 places, 3 zeros. Then here 35 is full, whereas if you cancel this point, you will read it as 35. Then write it 35. How many places? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 is not concerned. In front of 1, in denominator, in front of 1, 3 places, 3 zeros. Here 4 is full. 6, 1, 8. 1, 2, 3. Sariga. Sariga. Ma pa da ni sa no. 3 zeros, 3 places. 3 places, 3 zeros. No, in front of 1 we have to write. Then see how you have to read 6.089, 7.123. This is whole number, this is decimal. If number is decimal, in decimal, if there is a number, all numbers are decimal only. 6, write in decimal means 6.0 you can write. So, all are fractions only. 6, you have to write in fraction, 6 by 1 you are writing. Likewise. Then, how you have to read is, this is whole number. Say 6.089. 6.89 is wrong reading. 6.89, no it is. 6.089. As you are listening railway station, 6.089. The train number 12307 is ready at the platform number 1. Likewise, 6.089. If it is 16, then you can write it as 16.089. And is there any another way? Yes. 89,000. Here, point is not necessary. 16 whole 89,000, or else 16 of 89,000. 16.89,000, whichever. 16 whole 89,000, 16.89,000, 16 of 89,000. Like this also you can read, and this also. All will read 16.089. This is 7.123, or else 7.123. 123,000. Thousandth. From 1000 you taken 123, or else 7 full 123,000, or else 7 of 123,000, whichever. Okay, reading it is. Then place value we have to learn. Place value we have to learn. See, this point, this is 1, 10, 100. Likewise, you will go. Here, immediately 10th, no, 10th, 100th, 100th, 1000th, 10,000. Lakh. LAC also, LAKH also. TH is required. What is meant by this? This is 1 by 10. 1/10 means among 10, 1. It is rate. 10th means 1/10. 100 means 1 by 100. 1000 means out of 1000, 1. Rate. Whatever you may take. This is 1/10,000th. Then this is 1 lakh. 5 zeros are required. 1 has no zero. And 100 has 2 zeros. 1 has no zero. 10 has 1 zero. 100 has 2 zeros. Like this. Here 1, 10, 100. No need of this place, because here 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, 0.0001, 0.00001. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places, 5 zeros. Okay. Then you can write like this. See, 1 can be written. This is what you have to. This is all what? See, this part, and this one. Here also you can. Value is written here, and place name is written here. 10th, and this point will make differentiate between whole number and decimal. If this 6, 8, 9, here 3, 2, 0, and 7, 4, like this. If it is written, 5 made sin, so not been written here. 4, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 places are there, so 5 is not required, so not written. And 1 is also made sin, so not written. No, nothing like that. See, place value of 9 is, from this side if gone, 9 is 9 into 100, because 9 is in hundreds place, so its place value is 900. And place value of 8 is 8 into 10, that is 80. 6 is place value of 6 is 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Altogether it becomes 986. 980 plus 6 is 986. Then place value of 3 is 3 into 0.1. It is 0.2. No, 0.3. Then place value of 2 is 2 into 0.01, that is 0.02. Place value of 0 is 0 into 0.001, but any number multiplied by 0 is always 0 only. You can put a big 0 here. Nothing is there. See, you made 1000 parts, but nothing you taken means what I have to write here? Nothing I written. And here, place value of 7 is 7 into 0.0001 is equal to 0.0007. Whereas place value of 4 is 4 into 0.00001 is equal to 0.00004. In fifth place we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because it is lakh. From lakh you take it. So altogether if you add it, you will get 986.32071. Or else 986 whole 32,074 lakh. Okay, this is what place value. It is called place value. Okay. And now we have to learn addition and subtraction of decimals. See, in addition of decimals, in addition, only thing you have to make sure of point down point. See, 3 plus 4.8 plus 0.923 plus 1000.0001. If it is so, then how you write? How you add? Say 3 should be written as 3.0. Then make sure point here, it should be kept here only. 4 is full and 8 is half. No, full and half. No. 8 is from 10th place. And 0.923. 0.923. Yes. Isn't it? See here. Yes. And 1000, this side it is 1000 point and 10,000 it is. You may put 0 here, whatever you want to balance, you may or may not, but only thing, point should be in a straight vertical line, it should come. It should not go anywhere. Yes, now 1, 3, 2, 8 plus 9, it is 17. Then there is no place to write 2 numbers in this is. It is 17 tenth means what? 1 full and 7 tenth. So 7 1 number is written and point should be kept as point only. 1, 2, 3, 4 points you should not give. Only 1 point you have to give. And now 3 plus 4 plus 1 is 8001. It is 1008.7231. Okay. In subtraction, what you have to do? There also you need to put in subtraction also you need to put point in vertical line only. And say 1 minus 0.1012 if it is so. Then this is 3-digit number, whereas 1, no, it is less than 1. So 1 should be written as 1.0 first. Then point should be kept downside of that point, and whatever you can distribute numbers, whichever, like Bharatanatyam, 0, 0, 1, 2. Then what nothingness you should not show in this subtraction. you have to put 0 here. It is obligatory. So then, as if point is not there, likewise you can do that. 10 minus 2 is 8. 10 minus 2 again is 8. 10 minus 1 is 9. Point to point, 1 minus 1 is 0. You have to feel there is no point, nothing. It is 1000 minus 12. And you have to do subtraction as you were doing in whole number, likewise, but point should be kept in point side. That should be in vertical line. Okay. Another one example you can take. 3.8 plus 11.12 minus 8.965. If it is written, then what you have to do here is both together you have to do na addition and subtraction, both you have to do. 3.8 plus 11.12 vertical, it is 38, it is 1112, adding as it is to 9.41. Now minus 8.965, here compulsory 0. Point should be in vertical line. Point should be downside of point. Now it is 14,920, it is 8,965. Then as if 10 minus 5 is 5, 12 minus 7 is 5, 19 minus 10 is 9, point to point, 14 minus 9 is 5. 5.955. Okay. This is what addition and subtraction. Now, if you go for this multiplication, check how it is. Multiplying, short form of addition it is, isn't it? Multiplication is short form of addition. See, 8 into 9 is 72, but 0.8 into 9 how we have to do, and 0.8 into 0.9 how we have to do, 0.08 into 0.09 how you are planning. See, all blindly you have to do. See, blindly I am doing 8 9s are 72. Blindly I am doing, nothing is there, I am failing. This is not decimal number. 8 and 9 I am seemingly seeing. 8 9s are 72. Here also 8, 008 is 8 only. 008, 9 is 9 only. Seeming, blindly I am writing 72. Isn't it? Now I am opening my eyes and checking how many places are there in multiplicand and multiplier. This is multiplicand. This is multiplicand. This is multiplicand. This is multiplier it is. This is how many places are there totally? Only one place, because multiplier has no. So one place should be kept. See, in multiplicand and multiplier, two places totally. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4. Whereas only two places. Borrow 0. 1 2 3 4 altogether in multiplicand and multiplier. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. How many decimal places you have to put? 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh? What here you have to do is see 3.008 into 1.02 if it is so. This is nothing but 3008 into 102. This is nothing but 3008 into 102. 2 8s are 16, 0, 3 2s are 6. 0, double 0, 8 and 3. 3008 and 3008 only, 2 places because of 0. 6, 1, 8, 6, 0, 3. Altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3.06816 it is. Finally, what you have to, you concluded, multiply as whole. Multiply as if they are whole numbers. Later you have to count how many places are there in multiplicand, how many places are there in decimal altogether, and multiplier and multiplicand, that you have to count and put. This is what multiplication. Then here practical division. Division is short form of subtraction. Subtract, track. It is okay. 10, 5. See, from 10, 5 parts means 2. You can subtract that 5. How many you want? How many are there in 10? 2 5s are there. Likewise, see, 12 divided by 2. How you do? 1 you taken, it is not divisible. So you are putting 0. 2 also you taken, it became 12. Then 2 6s are 12, 0. You subtracted 12 by 12. 12 from 12. Answer is 6. Isn't it? Then if it is so, then what you do? 1 you taken from whole side, mark, and it is 0 because it is less than 2. It is less than divisor. So not divisible, I put 0. Whereas you are taking 2 from, isn't it? You are going for marketing. If you are entered into Chikkodi, you have to pay Chikkodi municipal taxes. Isn't it? So you are taking 2 from decimal section. So without putting point, you are not, you have no authority to take this 2. So put point and take 2. Then 2 6 are 12. Then big 0. Then see here 0.12 divided by 2. 0 you taken, not divisible. It is whole number side. And point put 1 take, again it is not divisible. Then again 0 you put. And once if you paid the tax, then you are able to take every. See, again once you, while taking 1 you put point, then no need of again putting point. 2 you taken, 2 6 are 12. Okay, understood that? As if only thing, from where you taken number, there you have to put your quotient. Okay, another one you can see. 3.56 divided by 4. Either you can take it as 32. 3 you taken, not divisible. 2 you taken, 4 8s are 32. because no need of checking this whether it is decimal, because it is whole number. Then 5 if you want to take, you have to put point. 4 ones are 4, 1, 6, 4 fours are 16. Like this, division is there. Several methods are also there. From like decimal you can write and do. So that method I will teach in next video. Thank you for watching my videos. And if you liked it, give a like and share, subscribe to my channel. Okay, comment in comment box also. Thank you very much.